Welcome back to Power Up Motorsports. We're working on a Dodge Stealth. That's right. An old 1995 classic. Mitsubishi and Dodge got together. The 3000. And the Stealth. We have a little issue back here. Jack spot off the frame back there. Fast forward. Oh yeah. Easy money. Today we have a damaged shock. Pop open the inspection cover. Lo and behold, top of the shock is here. So I just think we have to blast out these two and it should drop out over the fender. There goes that shock. You gotta beat it and unscrew it till it comes out. There we have it. Shock bolt. Now the shock should just slide right out. The new one should just bolt right up. 3 bolts. Okay, we've borrowed the loaner tool. Spring compressor tool. Go get the spring compressor tool for safety. We've compressed it. We're taking off the cap now. It's not under pressure, so it should not be dangerous. You can slip that shock right out of here. Okay. Spring is in the right area. I need 2 hands again. All right, new shock is in there tight. Now we can loosen the spring compressors. Fits like a glove. I'll just line up these bolts, jack it up a little bit. You want to wear ear protection. Impact guns can be very loud. All right, let's impact her off. Just like that. Out comes the nut. This is the hub bearing carrier. Oh, dingle balls. Yay, pachinko. If you've ever played the game pachinko, these are like the balls that go in the pachinko game. I would say we were lucky that this didn't come apart while we were driving. So we just need a 10mm. We take off the speed sensor. Put it right back together. So pachinko is a game, uses gravity and a spring on these little metal balls get tossed up and they go off of little nails on the board and they come down and they fall into different spaces that would have bonuses and points, little holes that would capture it. Pachinko, check it out, fun game. There's those pachinko balls, but they're inside this bearing. They're already pressed on. This is ready to go. This is the way to buy it. It was less than $100 for 2 of them. How can they build that? New studs. You just need to move the speed sensor over. 10mm nut. And it'll slide right on. We'll be done. You always want to clean your ABS sensor. See how there's a lot of metal chips there. Okay, you gotta crush in that part of the nut to lock it in the keyway. And there we have it, torqued, ready for racing. Well, look at this old race, talk about races. Look at that. So we'll put that with the pachinko balls. There you have it. Hub is on. Speed sensor is cleaned. Let's go test it. All right, we're just getting her all buttoned up. Get these top bolts. Yeah, keep yourself safe. Use these spring compressors. Makes life easy and safe. You want to put the spring up against the stop. Okay. And then take off your tension evenly. Those will be going back. Sweet. We have a shock that's ready to be installed. TRQ. Gotta take out your sway bar to get to the shock bolt. Shock bolt's torqued in. Sway bar is back in. We'll torque it down. And then we'll put the jack under here to get the bolts up, lined up, and torqued in on the top. Like NASCAR. You too can do this. Just takes about an hour out of your day. Definitely have the right tools. You can have fresh shocks on your Stealth RT. Woo-hoo! Let's go take some turns. Smooth driving. You can do this job yourself at home with your tools and buy a couple new tools. It's fun. Happy travels.